So once again, good morning. This is Power BI demo. There are two demo classes. First demo, second demo. Two demo classes. In the first demo, I give an introduction for 20 minutes, and then 40 minutes I explain a beautiful content. Today in the second demo, I'll give you a recap for the first demo 10 minutes, and rest 40 minutes, I'll give you a practical with Power BI components. The people who join today, they will receive both the videos. Kindly walk through both the videos, then only you will get complete clarity. And you will understand today's part, no issues. You will understand today's part, no issues. But still, I recommend you to go to yesterday's part. And I'm going for yesterday's recap. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And more than 15 people called me yesterday. Really good to see. And even I'm expecting from more people, but call me in these timings. I'm a working lead consultant. And the training type is basics to advanced. In detail, you will get 50 to 60 hours is the duration, and daily training 1 hour. And my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions, and monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. That to live practice you will do along with me. And the training is offline and online, both available. And institute provides daily live class video till 1.5 years. Very important point to remember. People will tell you, we will give you unlimited years. No, not possible. Nobody can give you. And communication, WhatsApp and Gmail, both communications. Material theory, yes. Material practical, both I will provide you. However, you received yesterday theory, practical material, the same way you received. FAQs and mock interviews covered. FAQs discussed and mock interviews conducted. And tabular cube classes required, 1 hour I will provide you. An SQL session, these are database classes. One is cube database, one is normal database. And this 1 hour I will cover, this 4 hours I will cover. Two near real-time projects and multiple case studies, mandatory, not just saying. My priority and my classes run more into projects and case studies. My course curriculum design in such a way, even I shared the course curriculum yesterday, you can look into. Training objective is you need to work happily in the real-time level. And interview support too. PL 300 examination support, 70 to 80% from this subject. And remaining, you need dump. I will provide you the dump. And if you want to generate your own reports also, this is helpful. These sessions. So what situation you can generate your own reports. And any graduate is eligible. It's a low code component. No IT level, no restrictions with respect to qualifications. Only candidate work is important. Before COVID and after COVID, complete change in IT. After COVID, any graduate, any qualification, but the candidate should have good knowledge in the work. And you can try with Power BI these many areas. Report development area, technical. Business intelligence development area, technical. Data analysis area, this is a techno-functional. Business analyst area, techno-functional. Data scientist, technical. So these are the different areas you can participate with Power BI, a very strong component.
Hello, Vinay.
Yes, please.
Sorry to disturb you.
Yes.
Yeah. How the artificial intelligence affect our work in Power BI will be there or not?
Both are completely different. No impact to Power BI.
Okay.
This is business intelligence, that is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence work in only few areas. decision making and all not possible by the artificial intelligence. It has to be done manually. Human
you.
can only take a decisions, right? Tools, components, concepts in the next 2 months. So it's a 2 months duration course. As I told you, in case you don't have 2 months time, then join for this batch. First 1 month sufficient, you will get everything. Next 1 month subject only. For that videos you can take or you can attend the remaining classes in another batch. 2 batches if you attend parallelly, you can finish within a month, my class. Because 1 batch subject, 1 batch projects and case studies. Or you can purchase my videos also, there you will get everything. But compared to videos purchase, go in the second way for fast track. And we have exclusive fast track classes, not only our institute, many institutes having exclusive fast track. But the problem is they will not cover complete detail Power BI. People will say we will cover in 20 hours, it's impossible to cover. And 2 months the classes will be, I will give you project understanding and 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. Database and SQL knowledge I will provide you. And 3 to 4 hours I will give you, but this is not sufficient for interviews and to work in the real time. What I recommend you is learn complete SQL and prioritize 9 topics. And MSBA cubes you learn for 2 hours. And the people who are preparing for job trials, compulsory resume preparation work, FAQs, mock interviews required, yes, we'll help you on this. And Power BI side, cloud, Power BI cloud, on premises, Power Apps, Power Automate. This all I cover, but this 4 hours I will cover, and rest all I will cover 56 hours, this part. So very depth of Power BI, so that you need not see back. Everything I will cover. If you want to become a master in Power BI, first you need to learn end to end. Then only you will become a master. As I told you, theory, practical material we will provide you. Daily live class videos, resume preparation sessions, WhatsApp for our communications, and training is practical about the training more and more. And you will be having good interaction with me. FAQs also discuss, frequently asked questions. Every topic, we will discuss this and you will get some test as well. Every topic. Very systematic training. And below 5 years only you can keep with this training, below 5 years. And your writing total maybe 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, no matter. With respect to Power BI, you can keep less than 5 years. And 90% opportunities in the market, Power BI plus SQL, 90%. 90% opportunities, Power BI plus SQL. Combinations. I told you which combination is good also yesterday. Kindly refer to yesterday's video for this description very in detail. I'm not covering. Along with this information, I told you last class. Okay, I will go there. Before that, this is a drive access I given to everyone. 9 a.m. Zoom. This is a drive access. Everyone will get this drive access. There the checklist, how much I'm going to spend on every topic I clearly given, you can see. I believe you received it. Go to all topics here. Your learning should be in this order. Your topic should be in this order. 1 by 1, 9 a.m. From tomorrow, we'll follow this. If this is done, I will mention yes. If this is done, I will mention yes, 1 by 1. And my intention to give you good subjects. So case studies, projects, real time, everything first. Later subject to learning. Component by component. You will get good understanding in these sessions. Around 20-25 days we'll spend on this part. Let us subject 1 by 1. So what if we start subject first? It is not fully engaging sessions. I noticed it. People are not engaging fully. They're not enjoying the sessions when I take like this. So when I take like this, they're enjoying it. They're learning more. And every topic, for example, Power BI service. Go to service. This is the topic I'm going to cover. Power query. These are the topics I'm covering. And DAX sessions. So this is the part I'm covering in the DAX. So DAX sessions. Every batch I cover in detail. See previously completed batch if you say interview questions, lab setup, all materials, all videos, any particular topic you take. For example, DAX. Click on DAX sessions you'll find. So from day one, you will get all the videos in a sequential order. And I told you about our interaction with the students. Different people ask different questions. See, he got job long back. Yesterday he messaged me. Hi sir, good morning. I have completed 8 months as MS executive. Now I'm switching to Power BI in my company. Open source. Please give visualization DAX latest material. And day before yesterday, Sunday, she messaged me. Sir, I would like to share a good news that Power BI developer contract for so and so. Please guide me, sir. Thank you for your classes. And this girl, so she's learning ADF also in our institute. Sir, hello, sir. Good morning. I got my H1B process. I'm leaving to US. I did all this because of you. Thank you so much, sir. Not one too many. Will help the people, will help the students and guide proper way. Not normal. These are all genuine feedback. Right. This is sufficient. 1, 2. Now, coming to actual part. Anyone want to ask any questions before I go to next part? Online, offline people? Anyone wants to ask anything?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Are you also providing Azure BI training, or is it a combo after the Power BI class is over?
Well, I take only Power BI classes, but if you need Azure BI training, yes, our institute provide. You can reach out to the reception; they will give you the details.
Yeah. So I tried to call, but I didn't get the detailed information.
When did you call?
Yeah, I called this morning.
This morning. Okay, okay. Maybe they are traveling. It's very early for us.
Yeah. So are you providing training after the Power BI class, or is it just side by side?
And I take only Power BI classes. Azure BI training is from different trainer, and my reception will give you all the details. Or provide me your details. I'll ask my reception to give you a call back.
Okay. Yeah, I'll message you in the WhatsApp.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, this is Naveen Vinay. I have
Yes,
one
sir.
small query, and you mentioned two real near projects, right? How it should be? I mean, what does it mean?
So whatever you do in the real-time work level, in the similar way, we will do it here with sample data.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Every batch. Let us take the previous 9 o'clock batch. So this is a project 1, project 2. So we'll give the documents and all. The real-time documentation you will get like this. Business technical document, input data, report creation, everything. Any more questions? Shall I continue to the next? Right. Stop me if you're not able to understand any place. You must learn in this way only, then only you get the subject properly. Last class I explained this end-to-end flow for 40 minutes. Data to Microsoft Fabric. Today I'm not explaining this part. To save my time and your time, I will start with Power BI. What is Power BI? What it does? I will explain and then we'll continue with the Power BI part. Briefing also not possible. What is Power BI? I told you why Power BI, what it has, difference between MSBA, Power BI, everything explained yesterday. Kindly go through. If you're not able to understand, give me a call and get the clarity. Power BI. Adding power to existing BI. And second definition. Power BI is a low code self-service based BI application available in cloud and on-premise to generate reports and dashboards from data. So Power BI is a low-code application, self-service BI application. That means it will bring the data, complete BI process implemented. Cloud level, Microsoft storage available and supported, and on-premises, your storage supported to generate reports and dashboards from data. So what's the input? Input is data. What's the output? Report or dashboard. Shall I? Right. Now today I'll explain you this example. You have some data like this. This is day-to-day transactions data or business data. There is no dependency to yesterday's session. Listen to it fresh. I request everyone, no dependency. Listen to it fresh. So day-to-day transaction data or business data. I want to convert data like this. This is decision-making data. Analytical data. Some people say business intelligence data. How do you convert this data into this? If you see this is my family expenses in lockdown period. 20 every month, every day, especially August and July. How much money I spend? So and so day, so and so money, so and so reason, so and so area, location. Money, area, reason, location. Money, area, reason, location. And this is called transactional data, OLTP data. And I want to see a decision-making data system like this. Years I want, months I need. When I select a particular year and month, it has to show sum of amount, average of amount, minimum amount I spent, maximum amount I spent, and my top spendings, my locations, traveled locations, top spendings, travel locations, and in each location, how much percentage money I spent. This information I want to show. So this is normal data, and this is called as a decision-making data. How do you convert? Definitely, we require a tool called BI tool. There are many tools available, but we are in the Power BI session, and Power BI tool required, and that is Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is a tool or application which will convert easily this data into this. But how does it will convert? By using a process, business intelligence process. This tool will take data. This tool will transform the data if it is not in proper shape, establish relationships between data. If security required, security applied. Finally, visuals generated like this. And don't feel panic. First time, if you look at this, you may feel panicked, but daily use the same thing. One report, two reports you create, remaining easily you can create, you remember forever. And this tool will do end-to-end process. No need of other tools, no need of other applications. So this is called self-service BI. What do we call it? Self-service BI. Everything single tool will do. And this is a major reason why people love Power BI. Got clarity? So ignore about OLTP OLAP. Last class I explained. Just business data, transactional data, analytical data. So this kind of business data you have, transactional data you have, and you want to convert to decision-making data like this, one BI tool required and business intelligence tool required, we are going for Power BI. See this picture. See, this will take and convert like this. Extract, transform, model. Secure and visuals. Got clarity? But is the only component available in Power BI? That's the first question. So what exactly Power BI does, you understand? But is the only component available in Power BI? No, guys. Now Power BI, all components I will explain, focus. Power BI components, 8. Power BI concepts, 4. This is total. Why 8 components and 4 concepts? First of all, reporting. I'll explain about reporting, focus. 2 types. A legacy reporting. This is called paginated reporting. Remember everyone. Report data in multiple pages. And each page is printable. And second one, advanced reporting and non-paginated. Your resume in multiple pages. That is called pagination. Your PDF document, your reading documents in multiple pages. That is called pagination. Second one, non-pagination. So in IT level, there are 2 types of reporting, paginated, non-paginated. Now coming to Power BI components. Listen to it and cloud interested people. What do you mean by cloud interested? That particular company don't want to maintain anything in their premises, like storage, managing everything at Microsoft side. That is cloud. On premises, that particular company decided to maintain everything in their storage. They want to install server and store it. That is on premises. And in case cloud you prefer, or the company prefer, first component cloud desktop required. This is a cloud desktop. Second component cloud service required. That is called Power BI service. Here, the reports, the dashboards, everything stored and managed. The end users will contact this and they will navigate. This is the area end users will contact. Got clarity? But this is only for the report development. That too, this will develop non-paginated report. Advanced reporting. Basic reporting not possible. But how does it will generate report? By using these 4 concepts. Concept 1, Power Query. Concept 2, Power Pivot. Concept 3, Power View. Concept 4, Power Map. So this particular tool will get the data and generate a report by implementing 4 concepts. Cloud is clear? Now on-premise, I'm interested to generate reports and manage in my server. Then report server desktop. This you install it. This use it for report generation. And then move to server, report server. Here reports dashboard stored and managed. Finally, end users will contact the server, brings the information. This is for the on-premises. 95% people use only cloud. 98 you can say, this process. 2% people using this on-premises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 components. Where is the 5th component? This is the 5th component, report builder. And this is helpful for the first reporting, legacy, old reporting, paginated reports. Yes, the old paginated reporting concept, if you want, separate component available, report builder. Next, I don't like Power BI visuals. I want to generate my own visuals. Then go to Power BI developer. It's a component which will help you to create a Power BI visual. It's not a role. Power BI developer is not a role. It will help you to create your own visual. Power BI embedding. This will help you to place your Power BI report in Facebook level, Twitter X level, your company blog level. Many places you can place your report. Last one, gateway component. It will provide the communication between on-premises to cloud. From your on-premises to cloud, if you want to move, then gateway required. These are the 8 components required and 4 concepts needed. So this is full-fledged subject of Power BI, knowing all these things. If you work on only this part, it will not take much time, embedding and all, but basics you need to know. Our class cover all this stuff. All this stuff. But major focus on 1 and 2, but this all I'm covering. With respect to Microsoft, Power BI containing 8 components and 4 concepts. Got clarity? But we don't have time in the demo level to do all, so I will go for first one, Power BI desktop. Questions, please. And online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room, so that last class and today's demo video and document you will receive in WhatsApp and email. Right, sir. So this is a responsibility of a Power BI desktop. The arrow flowing. It will take the data, Desktop, it will take the data, maybe from a file, maybe from a database, maybe from a cube database, maybe from a cloud. In the regular class, we will see multiple sources. Guys, we will work on files, we'll work on databases, we'll work on cube, we'll work on cloud also. So the desktop can bring data from all this. First one, Power Query concept, Power View concept, Power Pivot concept, View concept, it will apply and generate a report. That report move to cloud service, or the report move to server. And customers contact this. This is an end-to-end flow in Power BI. Anyone having any questions? High level at least. Ignore about low level. Low level slowly we see. If you're able to understand everything in 20 minutes, then you're a master at jump. At least high
One
level, what is
question.
happening? Yes, please.
When it is doing this extract, transform, and basically taking the data and finally end result is creating the report. So since it is on premise, will there be any limitation of data? Only this much it can, like few GB of data or something like that, or
See, the Power BI desktop level, there is a size limitation. But server level or cloud level, no size limitation. Based on your price, you will get the required size.
okay, if
This
it is a
tool is
huge
having
data
a
also, it can-
limitation. This tool has a limitation, but server and service, no limitation. TBs to PBs of data also you can keep.
So whenever the report is run by multiple users, say user one is running and the second time another user is running the same report. So every time it brings the data from the database, correct?
Yes.
I mean, it performs all these three processes.
Yes.
Okay.
And it can bring, and you can restrict to bring it from the database also. There are multiple modes available in Power BI: import mode, direct query mode, mixed mode, live connection mode. So based on the mode only, it will go to the source. Some modes will not contact the source, some modes will contact the source. So it's a complete different discussion. And don't think like it will always go to database. If source is a database, based on the mode, it will go.
Okay.
Storage
Good.
mode. Right, sir. This desktop, I will show you how to install and how to generate a report. And how do we implement this? So this desktop brings the data. If it is not in proper shape the data. Relationships required, establish relationship. Security needed, add the security. Visualization. Do not feel confused. Daily use this terminology. After 1 or 2 days, you feel very, very bored. First day, it looks panic. What is happening here? But the same technology, same way, all the reports prepared. Sir, how do we download and install? Very simple. Windows 8 or above required. Operating system. RAM is minimum 2 GB RAM required. Processor, minimum 2 GHz processor needed. Understand? Sir, I want to practice this. Will I get any document? Don't worry, guys. You will get a proper document for your practice.
Sir, I have a question.
Yesterday's one. Yes, please.
Yeah, why you said 90% of users use a desktop app, and why is that chosen? Is it because the service version of Power BI
Yeah,
doesn't have?
Perfect. The number of features. And nowadays, most of the people, they don't want to maintain the data in their storage area. They don't want to take the risk of maintenance. They're going for Microsoft. So cloud is very popular and people loving cloud. That's the major reason 90% people going for it. Even your backup and all, nowadays you're taking the cloud only. Are you preferring to keep your documents and everything in your mobile level? No, we are taking backup into cloud, either iCloud or Google Cloud or some cloud. That's it. This is
So-
your, yes, please.
I'm sorry. So you said Power BI desktop is widely used than Power BI service. Is that the right thing you said, or is it the reverse?
Come again.
Yeah, so did you say that Power BI desktop is widely used than the Power BI service?
Correct.
So
Hmm.
yeah, if it's if it has multiple features and security protocols in the Power BI service, why don't most people use that one?
No, you're completely wrong way. I said this combination 90%, 95% people use this combination. Both. I'm not saying this is used 95%. This combination 95 to 98%, and this combination 5% people. Beautiful. Got clarity? This cloud desktop, cloud service, 95% people using. On-premises desktop, on-premise server, 2 to 5% people using. Why? That we will see in the regular class.
Yeah, I was just comparing the Power BI desktop and Power BI service only.
These two completely different. These two are completely different. Do not compare these two. One is for development, report development. One is store and management. Why are you comparing it? Both are two contrast components.
Yeah, because we are still able to develop report in the service, right?
You can develop it, but there are limitations in the service level.
Yeah.
You cannot do transformation, you cannot do modeling, and many more things in the service level. If there are no differences, that there will not be two components. See, that's what I clearly mentioned here, what you can do in the service level and what will happen in the desktop level. But it will come under detailed session and we'll see in the regular class. Please don't worry. And we are going to discuss 10 to 12 hours service, 10 to 12 hours. Right, sir? Now, this is a document I will give you. For your practice. And you open this document, everything you will get. Demo example practical steps. What is desktop? And all the operations clearly available. This document you will receive after the session. What do you mean by extract? What do you mean by transform? What do you mean by modeling? Security, visualization. And I'm going to use some visuals, the visuals description. And what is Power BI desktop? Hardware, software requirements, downloading ways, installation process. So you will get this document, kindly follow. Spoon feeding by steps also available. Right. Then how to download this component and install it in this one. Very normal way, layman way, I will tell you, focus. Google it by mentioning Power BI desktop download, enter. Actually 3 ways, but I'm telling one basic way. Remaining 2 ways in the regular class. So Power BI desktop download, click on this. Microsoft Power BI desktop. In case you want to read the version, file size, everything available here, including description, what exactly Power BI desktop does. Next, system requirements in this area available. Installation instructions in this area. So no need to ask anyone what it does and what type of machines it is suitable. How to download, install, very clearly available when you Google it. Now click on this, download. And this is 32-bit machine. And this is 64-bit machine. So your system type is 64-bit, you go for it. 32-bit, you go for it. Sir, which one I need to take? Always go to your search area, verify here by typing sysinfo, system information. Click on this. It will clearly show you what is the system you are using. System type, 64-bit based PC. So which software you need to download? You must go to this and download it. Identify your system type and download. Once it is done, go to Power BI softwares. So in this area, you will find it, or your downloads area, you will find it. This is the way the software looks like. Mention, next, finish. The software will be installed. It is done. Installation completed. Assume. Then you'll see a shortcut on the desktop. Or status bar. See this? This status bar, shortcut. Because I have a licensed account, so it is showing me like this. And you will get shortcut here also. So your software is ready. And what is required next? Your input data. So this is your family expenses data. And before you guys practice, you take your hostel data or any regular maintenance data. I mention every day how much money, what is the reason, what is the area location. You prepare your own data and practice. So this is your data. Let us assume tool is available. Now I need to prepare a business intelligence report. So first click on it. Click on the desktop tool. So home menu. The tool will open like this. And this is quick saving, undo, redo, title, user, minimize, maximize, closing, home, new report, blank report, open, existing report. And you want to see the current desktop version and all, go to about. This will show you current desktop version. This is sign out. I already signed in actually. So if you want to sign out, sign out. In actual class with sign in account only, you will practice. I'll give you one account based on the account you download and practice so that you will get more features. Without account, if you practice, you get limited features. With account and practice, you get more features. You want to see an example? See, I will sign out and show you. Click on this, sign out. Automatically, these are all gone. Not only this, there are many features you lose. Once again, click on this or go to desktop and click on Power BI desktop. Click blank report, home menu, blank report. I want to create a blank report. Please see this. I will explain for a moment. This is click save, undo, redo, title, sign in, minimize, maximize, and closing. And this is called menu tab. I will brief important points, concentrate. And right now, this is underlined, and we call it as home ribbon. And if you see this, there are something here, views. And the first area, report view. Here visuals plus data plus concepts applicable. And in this area, table view, data displayed. And in this area, model view. Relationships specified. And this is multi-page area. Multi-page area. And this is called filter pane. Filter options. And the regular class, I will explain you in detail for 1 hour, don't worry. This is visualization pane. Visuals available, Microsoft and custom visuals, other organization visuals. And this is data pane. Data elements available, like query, you can say table, or field, you can say column. This information available, parameter, function, data area. So 3 views, 3 panes available, pages area. This is a web view, web development if you want. This is a mobile view, mobile development if you want. Mobile formatted report if you want. And this is called canvas. What do you call it? A report canvas. Report canvas. Done? Answer. And there are a couple of more settings available. There are more settings available. I'll explain tomorrow. But today, you need to know the important navigation part. Data. Extraction is the first operation. Transformation is the second operation. Modeling is the third operation. Security, visuals, BA data. These are operations. This tool will perform. That's why we call it as a self-service BA. And one more, it's a colorblind friendly interface, the most important word. Colorblind people can work on. Colorblind friendly interface, colorblind people can work on. Data extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visualization. These 5 the tool will do. Remaining are options. The first one is in this area, extraction. Second one in this area, transformation. And third one in this area, modeling. Fourth one in this area. Fifth one in this area, visualization. The 5 areas. Everyone seeing this? And regular operation, regularly we do this. Here 1 is compulsory, extraction, 5 is compulsory. In between, depends. Proper shaping you want, go to transform. Relationships you want, modeling. Security you want, secure. Okay. Right. First one, what to do? Bring the data. This is a process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These steps in this area we do. Every report generated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 1 and 5 compulsory, 2, 3, 4 optional. Now we'll go to 1. Click on it. Many sources it is having. many sources, not this. If you click more, you will see more. But I want to bring it data from my Excel only. So Excel. Regular class databases, cubes, JSON, many files will work on, many settings will work on. Now I will go to Excel. So where is that? I'll go to D drive, my lab backup, general files of practice, family expenses data, open. Just navigate, click get data and navigate. See, this is a navigator. Now daily expenses data, click on it. See the preview. And if you really want to take this data, click load. Click load in the top. Anything complex? Anything complex? So just click on extract. The navigations are very clear in the material. Kindly go through. One, you got the data here. Automatically expanded. I did not expand and it is showing. And you want to see the data, go to table view, this second view. So this is for the reporting. This is for the data. So this data it is showing. It's not in proper shape. Shape indicate column by column data. And if you see this, date, amount, reason, this is column by column. But on top something is there. So we need to remove this first. And we need to make this as column heading. Second, two operations we need to do. First one, remove this. Second one, take this. Then only proper column by column data available. Got clarity? How do you make this? Even one more. If you want to analyze area separate, location separate, it should be split. There should be a split, 3. So if you want to see this data properly, 3 operations to be happened. One is remove this. Second one, consider this as column heading. Third one, split the data into 2 parts so that area location will come and you can analyze perfectly. But where do we do? I said second area, 2. But second area you will get from here. Click on it. Click on this, 2. Transform data. This is a transformation area. See guys, this is only one window. System open separately. This is only one window. And this is called extract transform window. Extract transform window. Power query window simply. So if you want to shape it properly, then we go to this window. Yes. Guys, the window is open. Now we need to do. Just click on this corner. This is a corner. Sir, how do I remember? With practice only you remember. Once you complete the session, you will remember. But just see the ease of operations. No coding, nothing. Just click on this. Just click on this. What is this? Remove top rows. Number of rows to remove, 1. Shall I click OK? Now take this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. Shall I do once again? See, whatever the steps you implemented, you will see here. You can cancel it. So once again, cancel it. I want to remove the top row. So click on this, remove top row, mention 1, click OK. Now click on this. This I want to take as heading. So click on this. Use first as header. Next one. Split this into two parts. If you want to split this, just highlight this, right click. What is this? Split column. Column, right click, split column. Asking me by delimiter, number of characters, how you want to split by delimiter. It is having two hyphens, mention two hyphens. This particular column you are splitting with two hyphens because data having two hyphens. Click OK. Now click on it. Area. Click on it. Location. Area and location. Now go to close and apply. Because the operation is completed, so simply close and apply. First, it will apply the changes and then close. It will apply the changes and close. So go to this, close and apply. Okay. Now, so one completed, two completed. Third one, modeling. Or you want to verify once, go to table view and see the data. See guys, column by column data available, properly available. This is called proper shape. Now go to modeling. Only one table, no model. Security, fourth one, no security, but fifth one, visualization required. So every report, when you create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what are applicable, you will take it. But here data not proper shape. Now the next one. Fifth one, visualization. So I want to create like this. And these are called individual values. And if you want it, we need a visual called card visual. So I will use a card visual now. These are filtering. And this is called as slicer visual. And this is called as bar chart for comparing. This is a pie chart, composition. And this is a map visual. Mapping information. Okay. So I will show you this one by one. Right. Now, first one, go to visualization. Everyone see this. This is a visualization pane. Here you have the visuals. Hard visual. Slicer visual. Hard visual, slicer visual. Bar chart visual. Pie chart visual. Mapping visual. These visuals I use it. High level only, not low level. These 5 visuals I will explain usually 5 days or at least 3 days in the regular class. But it's not possible now. So high level, try to understand. Now take a card visual. This is a card visual, click on it. And every visual having 2 sections. This is the first section. This one. This is second section. First section level data we take. That is called fields. Second section level formation we will take. Colors, fonts, etc. formation will take. Now card visual. Click on amount and place here. Sum of amount. See, drag and drop amount here, automatically sum is coming. Take second card visual. Card visual. Drag and drop amount here. It will show you sum. But I need average. So click on this. Here, click on this. Average. Once again, take one more card. Take sum. I need maximum amount I spent. Click on it, maximum. Now click on a card visual. Amount you take. Minimum. Got clarity? Sum, average, max, min. Sum, average, maximum. This is sum. I want to format. You click on it. Single value only it will show. See, Power BI beautiness. No need to write any calculations. Just click on it and take whatever you want. Is it simple or not? Now you want to format. You go to this. This is called call out value. This is called category label. Now click on call out value, bold, blue color, none. I'm taking something like this. 30 size I'm taking. Next, category. Bold, click on it. Take here 15. So there are 2 things there. One is call out value, category label. Just arrange the colors, fonts and down. Next, the same thing. See guys, I'm minimizing it. General, effects, visual border. Now, don't worry. Under visual level, these two, this and this. General level, we have a common property I'm taking. One time if you navigate, you remember it, don't worry. Now I'm minimizing it. The same setting required remaining areas. So format painter, enter. Format painter, enter. Format painter, enter. See, format painter is used to copy the format. Got clarity? Everyone okay? Right. Now I need filters. This is a slicer. You click on slicer. Guys, hardly 10 minutes and I will close everything. Stay tuned, please. And who are not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide to get demo videos, demo documents, and to have a better practice in reading. I'll share everything. See the ease of operations. In case you guys want to talk to me, I'm giving my contact number. Please call me on this number in the given timings. Right, sir. Right, next one. I took a slicer visual. From date, I'm taking year column. Drag and drop date here. I will go to this slicer setting, list slicer. Slicer header, bold, go to this 20 size. Values, bold, 18 size. Go to this FX. Right. So this is a routine option. Coming to this. Once again, I will do it for other one. You will understand. Click on slice. Take month. Now go to this format. How you want to show? Your wish. List you want to show. Button format you want to show. Drop down you want to show. How do you want to provide interaction to the user? You want vertical list. This is slicer setting. Now header. This is called header. This is called value. How do you want to format? Header value. Header level. Take bold and take required color, required font size. Slowly we will do in the regular class. Don't worry. Value level. This is a value. Bold and mention here 18. Many months it is showing. I don't want these many months. Then I don't want these many months. Then go to filter. Filter level month is available. Click on it. I need July and August. General, effect, visual board. General effect, visual. Is this clear? Everyone okay? Now, if you mention 19 some average and all, 20 some average and all, it is changing. If you mention August values. If you mention July values. So this is called cross filtering. What do you call it? When you select it, respect to information you are seeing. No need to write any logic. Even I did not write any logic. Just I took one visual, one field I added, some colors I given. And you're able to see wonderful filtering. This is called cross filtering.
By default, coming all the values.
Yes, by default, account to the filter, account to the selection. Next, I want to see my top reasons for spending. Then I go for bar chart. This is a stacked bar chart. So always go to empty area, click on this. Y-axis, this is called Y-axis. Y-axis level, reason. X-axis level, amount. Click on this. General effects border. So Y-axis reason. This is reason. X-axis amount. This is amount. The font is very small. I can't see. Sir, why should I take like this only? Your wish. We can take this here, this here. Now I will go to this and show. See, this is called focus mode. In this area, you want to see bigger, only the visible. Food value, travel value, internet value, environment, entertainment value, books value, petrol value. These are top spendings. These are least spendings. Top spendings, least spendings. Okay. If you click 20 top spending, least spending, it will show you. See, it's changing. August top spending, least spending. Similarly, the locations you traveled and money spent you want to see. Am I clearing? Go to pie chart. Legend level location. Value level amount. It's a pie chart. First section location, second section amount. Now explore bigger and see. Hyderabad location 40%, Visakhapatnam location 40%, and Vijayawada 15%, blank 2%, Siddipet 2%, Suripet 2%. So percentages, if you want to see, then go to pie chart. Nothing I did, just taking the values. Go to this general effects visual board. Next, mapping. Click on this. Location level, location I'm taking. Map visual. Location. So my business locations, it will show you. Go to focus mode. My business locations. My travel locations. And if you want to see the business value control, bubble size amount. Bigger bubble, more value. Small bubble, less value. So more spending in these locations, less spending in these locations. Wonderful presentation. I will go to this general effects visual board. So if you select 19 information, 19 change. August, 19 August information, August change. So this is all about an interactive report creation, and visuals are cross filtering. So no great logic, no coding. I'm able to do wonders here. Some average, minimum, maximum, no need to do anything. Okay, good. Now the next one. How do we save this? File menu, click save. File menu, click save. It is saving under this VinayTech first demo report. What is the extension? PBIX. Because system will save this like a document. It will not save like a report. Word document usually saved with .docx. Excel document saved with .xlsx. Power BI document saved with PBIX. So it's a PBX because a document extension. Click save. You want to verify? Guys, wherever I saved, I will go there and show you. Concentrate. The first demo report as a Power BI file, as a document. But I want to share only this with the customer. This interface only I need to share. Customer don't require extraction, transformation, modeling, all this stuff. They need only this. How do you provide? Then you need to place this in a cloud server cloud, or we need to place in a server. This is a service. This is a server. So whenever we place this, then only customers will contact this, customer will contact this and bring it. That is the latter part. So how to develop a report with end-to-end implementation, I clearly given here. Am I right? Sir, I had DAX language, where do we use it? These are small calculations, no problem. But I want to perform some calculations like X multiplied by Y plus Z multiplied by K. How do you do it? Compulsory, these kind of things are cumulative sales required and other sales required. In the situation, we need a language called DAX. So other than the given calculations, if you do some other calculations, then it come under DAX calculations. Which calculations? DAX. Shall we, guys? Right, sir. So DAX is a language required when you want to create complex calculations, not for simple. So successfully, whatever I planned, completed. And DAX also simple language, don't worry. DAX is a modeling and analysis simple language. Functional language. You can learn easily. I will give you a live practice for this. You will do along with me so that you feel very happy and you learn properly. So Power BI generate wonderful reports like this from the data. I successfully explained with one component. And my demo agenda successfully completed. Two demo classes. First demo, understanding and complete hierarchy, market hierarchy, data to fabric. Second one, Power BI components, one beautiful example. And anybody can learn. Non-IT people, don't feel panic. Tomorrow onwards, we get everything very clearly. You will get it clarity. And IT people, you get more technical words. You will enjoy the sessions. No doubt in that. And this is my name, my contact number. You can call me in between these timings. I'm a working consultant. Basics to advanced training, 50 to 60 hours training compulsory required to learn Power BI properly. Daily 1 hour class. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. And Monday to Friday compulsory sessions. Saturdays you'll be having live practice, but monthly 2 Saturdays only. Online, offline, both available. Daily live class video we will share with good explanation, good materials, 1.5 years of access, communication through WhatsApp, good theory, practical material you will get, interview support, mock interviews, everything, whatever I mentioned at the beginning of the class, will give you. Training objective to make you suitable to work in the real time, and interviews you should select. Certification, if anyone preparing 70 to 80% covered in these classes. And even I will give you dump and guidance to make it 100%. Power BI certification. And you want to generate your own reports? Yes, the knowledge is more than enough. Any graduate eligible because it's a low code. And in these areas, you can use Power BI. As a data scientist, you want to go, analyst, you want to go, business analyst, you want to go, technical developer, you want to go. Yes, you can go in multiple ways. So that's all, guys, from my side about the demo. From tomorrow, regular classes at 9 o'clock. Slowly, in detail, we will start up from scratch. From tomorrow at 9 o'clock, Batch starts with basics.